Well, I just switched the battery. I'm here at Hemingway and not sure what I'm going to find, but there's a trail. Took my outer jacket off, so I hope I don't get chilly. I put the little spongy thing back on the GoPro. Strangely, the battery I had in there got down to 55% and it kept shutting off. So I don't know what the dealio was with that, but I didn't bring the battery charger in the car, but I've got 3 batteries. I thought that first one would last a little bit longer. It should have. But we're going to look at some rocks here. And a sign up there said there's different types of rocks. So not as windy here. Not as windy here. Look at these here. We're going to go over, touch the rocks here to leave my essence. Maybe get some vibes from the rocks from days of old. Get something, maybe give me superpowers or something here. I don't know. Touching the old rocks here. Coming, looking at them. Yeah, little shaly things. And more little pieces sitting on top there that somehow got there hundreds, thousands, millions of years ago. I don't know. Okay, back on the trail. Well, here at Hemingway, I'm getting up close to the rocks. Look at all those pieces that are broken off and falling down there. Same thing here, a lot of them fallen. And there was a sign with the trail. It was very close for rock climbing. Maybe that's those rocks over there. I don't know. These don't look too steady. Look at this one here. I don't know if my finger's pointing to it. Over there somewhere, a chunk sitting right on top that broke off of something else. A lot of precariously balanced rocks around here. So see somebody over there. Oh, here's a sign over here. Let's see what this trail says here. Okay, well, we got a marker here. It says Dairy Queen IRS wall and playhouse rock for the climbers, but then it says Hemingway boulders stay on designated trails. Well, I want to see the boulders. I want to see the other stuff too. Somebody left a little ring here that somebody had lost. But okay, I guess we're going to go around here. Oh, we have climbers. If you look up this line, right about here, get up to the top. Somewhere up in there, you'll see some climbers up there. They're up there on the rocks here, using ropes. It looks a little scary to me, but climbers do it all the time here, so they're all set, I guess. Oh, there's the climbers still up there somewhere. But I think I'm following this thing. I wanted to see Hemingway Rock. I think that's what the sign said back there. I hope they got it marked when I get there. Hope I'm going the right way. There's kind of a trail here, which looks like a gully. I don't know if it's a trail. Well, that looks like a trail over there. A lot of footprints in it. So it could be both. Could be both a trail and a gully. Numerous footprints. That's a good sign here. So yeah, all right, let's just keep on going here. I was taking a look back. There's the parking lot from whence I came. Down here, and oh, Shadow Man. All right, and looks like the trail goes here. So maybe it goes around the rocks. I don't know. I got plenty of time. Looks for the most part flat. Okay. Well, this one says Climber Access Trail, Dairy Queen and IRS access is straight ahead. Okay. And the real Hidden Valley is that way. Although I think I hiked Hidden Valley the other day, but this is real Hidden Valley. So I don't know. I don't see any climbers up there at this section here. Okay. Okay, we got some big boulders. And it looks like a valley. So maybe that's the real Hidden Valley. Maybe not the Hidden Valley I was on the other day, which was still kind of hidden. But I gotta put the camera away because I gotta navigate some boulders here. All right. Okay, got over those first big stones. It looks like it kind of goes down here. Maybe, and I'd like to get a look at that over there. So I'm working my way there slowly but surely. Well, there is a big valley there, but you have to navigate all these rocks here, and there's lots of little places I could slip and get my foot caught or twist my ankle or whatnot there. So Looks a little sketchy for the kid here. I'd like to get over there, but no can do, I don't think so. Well, there's Hidden Valley. It's up there somewhere. It's about all I can do for you folks. All right. Well, I'm up close here, kind of part of the trail that the climbers would take to get to the rocks. But look at this big, gigantic one that must have just like landed right there. And look at this. I don't know if you can see it. Looks like a face right up there somewhere. I don't know if I'm pointing to it right. I see two eyes, a nose, a little mouth there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Looks like a little face in there. All right. Look at these boulders. Part of the trail goes this way too. I'm not going to climb over that. But yeah, massive rocks here, that's for sure. Look at all this. I'm here at Hemingway. Still haven't found the Hemingway rock. There's another rock up there. See, it just split. It looks like the part on the right's just sitting there. That something could happen. Minor earthquake could shake that loose and it could go come tumbling down and break into pieces there. Like I say, a lot of that in the park here. I see a lot of these split rocks. I was told that that one over here is Hemingway rock, and the ones up top is really Hemingway rock here, but could be anyone. They all look the same. They all got splits in it, but at least that's what the climber told me. Well, ran into a number of climbers today, and I see a few of them up on the real high rocks. This one says Hemingway is that way, so maybe this is Hemingway here. So that's probably it. Right where there's somebody at the top and there's somebody down the bottom there. So, sign says Hemingway straight ahead. Okay, I have found it. This is the Hemingway here. Okay, and Banana Cracks and Mindless Mound. Well, maybe this is Banana Cracks and Mindless Mound because the arrow's pointing that way. And this is just Hemingway. The whole area is called Hemingway because the arrow that way says use the trails. This may not be Hemingway. This may be Banana Cracks, which makes more sense because there's cracks up there. So, and there's a guy starting out at the bottom there on a long rope. You can see go all the way up to the top up there. Alrighty. And we got some more people climbed up there. I think those are amateurs. They might have just, you know, you could just climb up those little boulders going up there to get up there. And, but not for me. Or you could, another trail on the other side, a lot of boulders. Yeah, you could work your way up there without too much trouble, without ropes or anything there. But yeah, no, I'm always afraid I'm going to touch one of those rocks and they're going to come tumbling down or something here. So I'm Mr. Precaution here. Okay. Well, trail brought me to this road. I mean, it goes alongside the road. It looks like nice and dry. I might try to drive this myself here and see where I can go with it here rather than keep walking down here since I might be able to drive it. I think I'm going to start heading back here. All right, it'd be like a little bit into the wind here, but that's okay. Nice pretty level walk this morning here, but a good walk. And still a little breezy. Sun is warming things up here. My hands are still a little chilly when I walk into the wind here. All right. Well, I'm on this dirt road that I came across when I was on the trail. Don't know where it goes. It might be a dead end. I'll have to make a U-E. I don't know, but here comes another car. I got a little dampness on the road up there, but there was a sign up there that said lock gate ahead around the next bend, and there was a car coming up there, and I didn't have time to ask him what was there, so I figured better be on the safe side and turn around. So heading back to the main road.